If you have been waiting for a budget Samsung smartphone, then here's a good news for you. Samsung is set to launch the Galaxy F56 5G as the successor to the Galaxy F55. Even before the launch, the features and price of this phone have already leaked online. According to the leaks, its features are expected to be the best in the budget segment. In this video, we will share the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this powerful smartphone. So let's start. Samsung Galaxy F56 5G features. Display. The Galaxy F56 will come with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display. It will feature a resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixels, and will work at a 120 Hz refresh rate. Additionally, the phone will have an in-display fingerprint sensor, and support of Gorilla Glass protection. Camera setup. For photography, the Galaxy F56 5G will feature a triple rear camera setup. The primary camera will be 50 megapixels, with OIS support. It will also include a 32 megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a third 2 megapixel sensor. For selfies, this amazing smartphone will feature a 50 megapixel front camera. Processor. The Samsung Galaxy F56 5G will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 octa-core processor, built on a 4nm fabrication process. It will have a clock speed of 2.63 GHz, allowing for excellent gaming and multitasking performance. As for the operating system, it will run on Android 15. Battery backup. The phone will be equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, providing strong battery backup. It will also support 45-watt fast wired charging, and come with a Type-C charging port. Price and launch date. According to the leaks, the base variant of the phone, with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage, is expected to be priced around $300. As for the launch date, there is no official information available yet.